Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. My very messy kitchen because I've been extremely busy baking, making things that are easy and delicious of course, but getting meal prep ready. I'm making my crispiest baked potatoes, French fries, all right? And I marinated ribs. Don't they look good? Brian's gonna barbecue those babies soon. And I made ice cream sandwiches. They are so yummy and delicious. So they are and I made different kinds before, but this one's different. It's a peanut butter and jam, okay? Peanut butter and jam Oreo ice cream sandwich, all right? So just, you have to find things on your journey that are things that you enjoy and love, right? And then modify them. So today we're gonna make a chocolate high protein waffle, a chocolate high protein waffle. And the wonderful thing about waffles is you can have them for breakfast, you can have them for brunch, you can have them for lunch, you can have them for snack, and even for dinner or an after workout treat, okay? So, and they're high protein, 23 grams in Flourish, okay? So if you don't have Flourish, don't worry. You can use other brands or other high protein waffle pancake mix like Kodiak mix, all right? So this one for a half a cup is 4 smart points for those of you on WW. Now, the other thing I have is this mini little dash waffle maker, and I love it because even though it's small, it cooks up so fast, and you just spray it and let it get nice and hot, okay? So let's get started. Super easy, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, 1 bowl, whip it up, and you're gonna have an amazing, amazing breakfast or brunch, lunch, treat, snack, okay? So a half a cup of your waffle mix, your pancake mix, whatever. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of egg whites, all right? And I just buy the egg whites just like that because it's just easier. A 1/4 cup of almond milk, all right? And I just take a little whisk and I put in 1.5 teaspoons of my favorite cocoa. It's cocoa berry cocoa powder. Cocoa berry cocoa powder, okay? It smells like you're at the Hershey's chocolate factory. I'm telling you, it is my favorite, and hopefully Costco still sells it. I'm putting in 2 teaspoons of Lakanto monk sugar because I like things sweet, and a pinch of cinnamon. That's all that's in here. Boom. All right, and then you just mix it up. And I love things like this that are super easy. And I was thinking even while they're hot, you could make a frozen yogurt or with Cool Whip, and I'm gonna come up with a recipe for a delicious ice cream sandwich, waffle ice cream, like when I used to go to our exhibition here in Canada, in Toronto. So what I like to do is now if you want them a bit thinner, you don't have to use a 1/4 cup, you can try to use an 1/8 cup, and if you have a bigger waffle maker, then you'll make bigger waffles, okay? So it's depending on what you have, but I love this one. I'm just gonna tell you it's by Dash, and my brother ordered it for me online, and I just love it. So I just take a 1/4 of a cup, and I just spread it all around. All right, and you can use just, a little bit more if you want it a bit thicker, and then you just let it sit for maybe a minute, okay? And they come out so delicious. Now, of course, a waffle wouldn't be a waffle without a little bit of Cool Whip. You can have, for 3 tablespoons, 1 smart point on WW. I love Ready Whip chocolate whipped cream, or you can use vanilla or any brand, of course. That would be delicious. You could use some syrup, some Joseph syrup, or eat them plain. It's up to you. You could make some eggs and have them with some scrambled eggs. You could add fruit to it. You could add chocolate chips to it. You could add coconut to it. It's versatile, right? So look at that, already made. And I just wanted to get a plate, and I'll just take it out like that. And I'm going to show you in a second. I'll make another one. And it makes 4, well, I made 4. So just again, it depends. And I hope I told you to spray it well so it doesn't stick. Okay. And this one is already made, but I've already made some and I keep them in a container. I'm just going to bring it up to the camera so you can see you can see the steam. All right. It's a really nice size for a little mini waffle maker. And like I said, I just keep them in. You can pre-make them. Okay, so then you can crisp them up back in your toaster or in your oven. And I have 4 of them here. Okay. And I think I put a bit too much in here. Like, honestly, it takes seconds. You saw. I'm going to make another one. I'll just spray it because I think it was sticking a bit. Just spray it. Oh my God, I wish you guys were here to smell it, but I know you're gonna make them. And, you know, hopefully right now it's the pandemic, so if you even have guests over and you have some low-fat ice cream, or you just wanna serve these like this with some Cool Whip or whipped cream, or for your kids, your grandchildren, okay? I mean, look at that, all right? And they smell good and they taste good and they're healthy and they're guilt-free. So what more can you ask for, right? Not much. So, and it literally takes seconds. I'm gonna let it get, and if you want it a little crispier, so keep it in for a little bit longer. But in seconds, we're almost done. I'm just looking for my little spatula because I like to make sure I get all of it. And there's another one here, and I'll make the last one. Just put that all in, and it's amazing. I love things that are fast. You want to add some turkey bacon on the side. You can do that. And if you don't want to add chocolate, I mean, the chocolate just really adds to it. And I am a chocolate lover, so who doesn't love chocolate? So anyways, this one's cooking up. It'll be probably another second. And again, you can freeze these, put it in a container, put it in a baggie, all right? Reheat them, eat them cold, have some Cool Whip or anything else on top of it, even some jam, peanut butter, whatever you like, all right? Drizzle some on, and this will be a guilt-free, delicious, nutritious, high-protein snack treat breakfast, okay? And I think this one's already ready. And that is it. I'm gonna unplug it. And I have 2 huge servings to feed my family with. So I hope you enjoyed this really easy, delicious recipe. Please tell me what you think. Don't forget to comment below. If you make other recipes, sorry, my hair's in my face. Tell me what you think, tag me. Don't forget to share my channel with everybody because sharing is caring. And my Facebook group, WW Tips and Recipes by Risa. All right, all my ingredients and directions are written under each video. All right, so love you guys. Tell me if you change it up as well. Mwah. Bye for now.